Title 5 Easy Tips to Improve Your English Vocabulary. Introduction. Learning English can seem challenging at first, especially when it comes to expanding your vocabulary. But don't worry, with consistent practice and the right strategies, you can learn new words quickly and use them confidently in your daily conversations. In this post, I'll share 5 easy tips to help you improve your English vocabulary. 1. Read daily. Reading is one of the best ways to discover new words. Start with simple materials like children's books, short stories, or beginner-friendly blogs. Gradually move on to novels, newspapers, or magazines. Highlight or note down unfamiliar words, then look them up in a dictionary. Pro tip: try reading blogs, articles, or books on topics that interest you, such as fitness, cooking, or technology. 2. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a fun and effective tool to memorize new words. Write a word on one side of the card and its meaning, or a sentence using the word on the other. Review your flashcards daily to reinforce what you've learned. Apps like Quizlet or Anki make it easy to create digital flashcards for studying anywhere. 3. Watch and listen. Listening to English speakers exposes you to new vocabulary and how it's used naturally. Watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts or audiobooks on topics you enjoy. Focus on understanding the meaning of new words from the context. Pro tip: pause the video or audio when you hear a new word, write it down, and practice using it in a sentence. 4. Practice writing. Writing helps you actively use the words you've learned. Start a journal where you write about your daily activities in English. Use new vocabulary words in your writing to make them stick. Get feedback from a friend or use tools like Grammarly to improve your grammar and word usage. 5. Learn words in context. Memorizing word lists isn't enough. You need to know how to use words in the right context. Instead of learning single words, learn phrases or sentences. For example, instead of just learning the word opportunity, learn the phrase a golden opportunity. Practice these phrases in your conversations or writings. Conclusion: improving your vocabulary is a step-by-step process that requires consistent effort. By reading regularly, using flashcards, listening to English content, writing daily, and learning words in context, you'll build a strong vocabulary foundation in no time. Remember, practice is the key to fluency. What's your favorite tip? Which of these tips do you find most helpful? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share your own strategies for learning new words.